Hello and welcome to another episode of Double J's List. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to do another update on my 1999 Nissan Frontier. I don't know why I'm doing this update because the last one that I did really poorly. But I'm going to do it again. I don't care. I like this truck a lot. Anyway, so I took it to my mechanic, and he didn't want to replace the carrier bearing without replacing the entire drive shaft. There aren't many drive shafts available. I think there was one and it was almost $600. He doesn't like taking them apart because he says when they go back together, they never balance out right. I couldn't find on for less money anywhere else. So I decided just to do the carrier bearing myself. I'm going to include in the link below. I used two different videos I found on YouTube on how to replace this carrier bearing. And actually the one that uses pullers is basically the one that I used. I didn't use the air hammer like the one guy did, but it's there if you want to take a look at it. So I've run into some problems doing the job. I ordered the carrier bearing off of Rock Auto, and it was like 20 bucks shipped, and basically got the job done. However, let me show you here. Okay, here's the new carrier bearing, and what happened is, if you take a look, you can see it's kind of destroyed. Is what I did when I put this back on the drive shaft. It's like a press fitting, and I used my cordless impact and way over torqued it, and it basically destroyed the bearing. So I had to order a new one. Now I'm waiting for Rock Auto to get me another one out of my own pocket. I know I goofed up. It was my fault. However, they're taking the part was in what appears to be a warehouse in Rochester, which is about an hour and a half drive from here. And for whatever reason, they shipped it DHL and then transferred it to the Postal Service. It went all the way from Rochester all the way to New Jersey, and then back across New York State to Ohio, and then got transferred to the Postal Service. Now it's coming from Ohio. It's supposed to be here today. I'd really like to get this truck out of my garage. My wife would like her parking spot back in the garage. At least that's the middle of winter, so. Anyway, this is going to be fixed and driving along soon. And I'll be able to enjoy it again. And that's about it. If anything else changes with this, I'll let everybody know. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.